And welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the best AI used for professional headshots. So we're looking at the first one, which is Dreamwave. Now this is Dreamwave, and here you can get professional headshots in minutes for you or your team. That's right, you or your team, and it's trusted by Fortune 500 professionals at Metaverse and Strip and the rest of them. This is an example. This is a picture, and this is the one that was generated by Dreamwave. This is a picture. This is the one that was generated by Dreamwave. So you can see it's really good. All you have to do is upload your photos, drag and drop your photos here, any of those two, and it will get started for yourself in 30 seconds. You get the accurate AI headshots without the AI look. It's as simple as that. So it is really good. You can see examples, people testifying to it. It's really that good. So Dreamwave's an AI research lab developing new ways to augment human creativity with artificial intelligence. So it produces headshot photography. It has team headshots also to generate consistent AI headshots at scale with your growing company. It's perfect for remote teams. You can create custom photos, generating photos of yourself with any scene, outfit or hair. The only limit is your imagination. You can see this is an example. Then so they have values, they have careers and many others. They're looking for ambitious, thoughtful and kind people to join their team. So if you're excited about it but don't see the exact open position, you can email here and they might give you. So I can they need is for machine learning engineer and senior product designer. The dream work is really nice. Like we said, for headshots. Now the next on our list after Dreamwave is, oh by the way, Dreamwave is not free. We want to get a headshot. You have packages. You have $35 package where you get 120 photos, 8 outfits and 8 backdrops. Then you have the standard $9 where you get 250 photos, 10 outfits, 10 backdrops and 1 free redo. Then you have the best value for $99. You get 500 photos, 15 outfits, 10 backdrops, 2 free redo and unlimited human touch-ups. This is really good. So we choose 159 right now. You'll be able to get 2 hours turnaround. Click on it and see. Now here we go. For professional AI generated headshots, this is it. So your AI headshot will look exactly like you, 10 times cheaper than a studio photo shoots and no photographer needed. So you get to generate hyper-realistic business headshots for work from the comfort of your home. Get to upload several selfies and get 100% of AI headshots with different clothing and background. It's quite simple. Then that one time when you need a perfect headshot, leverage next Gen AI to create headshots that capture the essence of your professionalism, enrich your CV, email, social media to drive more engagement and interactions, or land you a perfect job. So you can snap your business headshots with AI. This is before and this is after. So skip the hassle of traditional photo shoots, preparations, no need for perfect hair or clothes. The technology delivers studio quality headshots with perfect hairstyle and clothing without the studio price, from $29 per person, and the results are delivered within minutes. So this is before and this is after. Turnaround is about 45 minutes and a lot of people have used it, so it's really good. So the next one I'm looking at is MyEdit. So this is a one-stop online AI photo editor. With MyEdit, everyone can bring their creative visions to life. Their AI-powered tools make it easy to transform your photos and unleash your artistic potential. Transform your photos with image enhancers, image generator, AI replace, AI extender, and more. So effortless online AI photo editing. You can effortlessly edit your photos online from any device, be it a PC, tablet, or phone. You need to download or install any software. Just open your browser and get started. Enjoy seamless and convenient AI-powered photo editing wherever you are. You can try all the photo editing tools like AI image generator, AI image fusion, AI image extender, AI replace, that is to easily select and replace parts of your image using text prompt, making otherwise complicated edits in no time. AI object remover, instantly remove unwanted objects, AI scene, AI interior design, customize cartoonizer effect, image to prompt, image enhancer, image upscaler, deblur, denoise, AI face swap, AI headshot, AI hairstyle, AI outfit, AI avatar, AI anime, AI cartoon, AI sketch, AI background remover, AI product remover, AI model background, AI product background actually, photo editor, add text to image, crop image, flip image, rotate image, resize image, image converters. So you can see there's so much and they're great for you. So that is for this one. So for photo editing resources, you can check out their blogs on it. So the next on our list is Photo, Photor. And this is an online photo editor for everyone. Online photo editor that offers everything you need to enhance and edit photos effortlessly. Experience simple photo editing online for free. So you can discover their popular features like you can create a design, AI image generator, enhance photo, remove background, photo to art, and generate headshots, which is what is important now review today. So you can simplify photo editing with online photo editor. All the tools you need for professional photo editing are at your fingertips. Powerful and easy to use. It's a robust photo editor like a Photoshop online but with fewer learning curves. A complete suite of photo editing tools from basic adjustments like brightness and contrast to advanced editing features like retouching portraits. You can do it all with photo. Edit photos online in bulk. Edit all your photos at once with the batch photo editor. Get more done in less time. You can click it. So once you edit your photo for free, you click on edit photo for free. The next thing you're going to do is so you drag or upload your photos, put it there and try to use them. Now once you can see all the things you get, AI tools, adjustments, effects, beauty, frames, text, elements, upload, apps and more. Now once you do this, you need to do a free trial. Yes, it's not totally free. You have to at least get ready for a free trial. So next we have is Aragon. Now, Aragon helps you get your headshots in minutes, not days. It's quite simple to upload and you get what you need. So for Aragon, you have to sign up. So I signed up and my link expired 30 minutes ago. But let me show you the real homepage. This is the homepage. Welcome to AI Headshot Generator that transforms your existing photos into realistic AI headshots for your resume, LinkedIn, and social media profiles. So you have to first of all agree that the majority age and according to terms and conditions before you can create headshots. So let's go back to the main menu. This is not still the main menu. This is the main menu. Create your headshots. So get your headshots in minutes, not days. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. They do AI photo shoots for both individuals and teams. You reimagine yourself with Aragon. Start professional headshot by mission is to be the next era of photography. With AI, you can imagine yourself for any occasion, either in a corporate setting or just purely for entertainment. We have for dating, healthcare, creator, Christmas, yearbook, Halloween, hair salon, travel, glamour, old money, wedding, everything you need. Create any photos you need in any category. You can also enhance your photos and brand with most popular tools like Magic Eraser, Background Changer, Blur Image, Photo Enhancer, and so much more. Let's view all the tools and see. So the one to get started for free. To enhance your portrait, remove unwanted image, achieve the best image quality, revamp your backgrounds, and then this is the payment plan. So we have the weekly and the annual plan. So it's $8 per week and also have $2 per week. So these are what you get from it. And you want the annual plan, $2 per week calculated annually and $8 per week calculated annually. So it does make sense to try it out.